So this is how we can silence unknown callers on the iPhone. Let's get started. So at first, you need to open up the settings of your device, and entirely at the bottom, you have the apps section. And so tap on apps, and you can either look up the phone app manually or just scroll through the apps until you get there. But once you do get inside, you have a bunch of different things. And yeah, just keep on scrolling down below, and there is a option for silence unknown callers. And when you tap on this, you essentially have the ability to enable this, and calls from unknown numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail. And if you just open up the phone app, then you will be able to see them in the recent list. So you will know that somebody has tried to contact you, but your phone will simply not be ringing. So that might be very useful if you want to do that, right? And as you can see, the incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent calls, and a Siri suggestion. So if your phone thinks that you might be interested in that call, it will make it go through, but if not, it will silence it. So that's how it works. Besides that, you can also just enable the focus mode or do not disturb mode of various kinds, and this might also get the job done, as you know, it can silence some callers or whatever. So play around with that as well. But that's it. That's everything I wanted to show you. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future one.